Imagine waking up to discover your phone is controlled by someone else. Shocking, right? In 2025, hackers have advanced tools for stealing your data and invading your privacy. Today, we'll unveil 10 of these secret phone hacking tools. First, let's understand the problem. Phone hacking compromises personal information. It can lead to identity theft and financial loss. Awareness is key to protect yourself. Now, let's dive into the 10 tools hackers use. 1. Sharkjack, a portable device that can hijack Wi-Fi networks. It's as discreet as a USB drive. Hackers use it to launch man-in-the-middle attacks. 2. Wireshark, this software analyzes network traffic. It captures data packets that can reveal sensitive information. Savvy hackers use it to gather unencrypted data. 3. Cyber, a framework used for exploiting IoT devices. Hackers connect to public networks and exploit weak security. It's effective for accessing vulnerable phones. 4. Kali Linux, an operating system ideal for penetration testing. It comes loaded with tools to identify network vulnerabilities. Hackers leverage its capabilities in phone hacking. 5. Metasploit, this software allows hackers to create exploits. It provides a platform to automate the hacking process. It's commonly used for testing security defenses. 6. Air cracking, a suite for cracking WEP and WPA wireless keys. Hackers can intercept Wi-Fi signals and access devices. It's a go-to tool for unauthorized access. 7. The Fat Rat, this tool enables hackers to build malicious payloads. They can disguise malware as legitimate apps. Once downloaded, it gives hackers full control. 8. Frida, a dynamic instrumentation toolkit. It helps hackers analyze and manipulate apps in real time. This allows them to access sensitive information within apps. 9. Silent Witness, a stealthy spyware application for mobile devices. It gathers data without the user's knowledge. Hackers use it to monitor conversations and track locations. 10. Dsploit, a penetration testing suite for Android. It allows hackers to test vulnerabilities on wireless networks and mobile devices. Understanding these tools is crucial. Awareness can lead to better security practices. Keep your software updated, avoid public Wi-Fi, and use strong passwords. In summary, phone hacking tools are evolving. Being educated about them helps you stay protected. Stay vigilant and ensure your devices are secure. Take action today. Review your phone's security settings. Implement stronger defenses. Don't wait until it's too late. Imagine waking up to find your phone controlled by someone else. In 2025, hackers wield advanced tools for data theft and privacy invasion. Today, we will explore 10 secret phone hacking tools to increase awareness and protect yourself. First, let's grasp the issue. Phone hacking jeopardizes personal information, leading to identity theft and financial loss. Awareness is key to safeguarding yourself. Now, let's delve into 10 tools hackers deploy. 1. Sharkjack, a discrete device to hijack Wi-Fi networks and conduct man-in-the-middle attacks. 2. Wireshark, a software that analyzes network traffic and captures data packets, allowing hackers to gather unencrypted information. 3. Cyber, a framework for exploiting IoT devices over public networks, targeting weak security to access vulnerable phones. 4. Kali Linux, an operating system for penetration testing, loaded with tools for identifying network vulnerabilities. 5. Metasploit, software enabling hackers to create and automate exploits for testing security defenses. 6. Air cracking. A suite for cracking wireless keys, allowing unauthorized access by intercepting Wi-Fi signals. 7. The Fat Rat. A tool to build malicious payloads disguised as legitimate apps, giving hackers full control once downloaded. 8. Frida. A dynamic toolkit for real-time app analysis and manipulation, facilitating access to sensitive information. 9. Silent Witness. A stealthy spyware application collecting data without user knowledge, used for monitoring conversations and locations. 10. DSploit. A penetration testing suite for Android, utilized for testing wireless networks and mobile device vulnerabilities. Understanding these tools is paramount for better security practices. Keep software updated, avoid public Wi-Fi, and use strong passwords. In summary, phone hacking tools are advancing. Educating yourself about them is crucial for staying protected. Stay vigilant and secure your devices. Take action today. Review your phone's security settings and implement stronger defenses. Don't wait until it's too late.